Good evening, my lovelies. Welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I am Amanda, and this is my Crafty Corner. Today, I have an unboxing from Coodeals. I have been honestly waiting forever for this. Sorry, I just realized more diamonds had fallen out of one of my trays from when I was moving everything. But anyways, on to Coodeals. So Coodeals does everything diamond painting related. They do AB diamonds, which is the Aurora Borealis ones. They do regular diamonds, and you get to pick between square and round diamonds. Sorry, I just hoovered chili when I got home from work. But yes, you get to pick even like the size if you want a 30 by 40, 50 by 70, all of that. They are having a deal right now, a nice big sale. And yeah, I know I have a discount code. I'm going to have to go into my email to get that, but I will link that in the description box. Plus everything that I get, all the items I have in here. So I'm just going to open this now, unless I'm just trying not to show you my address. So nope, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it from this way with my knife. So this is all diamond paintings, all diamond paintings. There we go. Toss that here. I love the way that they put everything in the bubble wrap. All of mine, except for one, is all a 30 by 40, and I will show that to you once I can open this up. Here we go. So I got a set. It's all Halloween themed. So I'm gonna do the 40. Oh, that was nice of them. So they gave me all the DMC stickers. This was my gift, I think. Oh yes, and then the lovely I call it parchment, but it's actually like you can put your, I'll open it up. So it's exactly like the white paper that I use on my other paintings. You can use it to section off your diamond painting. You use it when you are diamond painting to rest your hand on it. All of that lovely stuff. I'm just taking everything out. So this, I think that's everything. Yeah, and then they just put this at the bottom to protect the painting. So I'm just going to toss that there for now. So, and these I'll put here. These I'll put here. So let's get into it. So again, this one is my 40 by 40. I did all Halloween. Again, on October 1st, we will be doing our Halloween 2023 themed diamond painting. So I'm just gonna put that here. So standard with diamond painting, you get your pen, you get your tweezers. These ones are actually really nice and they're metal. You get your boat, some bags, and a giant thing of wax. I don't use the pink pens. Oh, it even comes with a two-placer. Didn't realize that it comes with a two-placer. So we'll put that there. So let's, take a look. So it is, again, the 40 by 40. Just ripped. It has 30 colors. It is a stained glass of a witch. Diamond, is it diamond painting with Cajun or diamond painting Cajun? She is doing, starting November 1st, a witches and cauldrons type event. Wow, I can't talk. So even before she had talked about that, I had gotten this. Let's just fix it. Nice, very sticky. It's really, really pretty. And of course it's gonna act like that, but I'm just gonna fix it with this. I made it worse. I will not lie. I totally made this worse. Okay. Do this nice and slow. I need to get the bigger one. I just got this one off of Amazon. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this like that for now. But it's very pretty. It's the stained glass witch. I will show you the little thumbnail if it will allow me to show it to you without being too blurry. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, just gonna, and I'll put that behind me. Let's get into the colors. They are individually wrapped, and what I like about this is that it comes with this piece of paper where it's got the numbers 1 to 30. It gives you the DMC code. It gives you how many of the diamonds you're going to be using and the size of the bags. Do that. And then, of course, here is the thumbnail. So I really like that they do this. It's got some very pretty colors, as you can tell. 3865 is the most. It is like a creamy white color. You've got them all individually, which is nice, and it's got the code, even like the 40 by 40 and the DMC. Absolutely love them, because if I run out of my little containers, I can just put them in the bags. So that's number 1. Let's open up. So like I said, this one comes in a set. They are very, very cute. I absolutely love them. They're all round. Sorry, I meant to say that. Every single one of these is a round drill. And this one's the 30 by 40. Same thing, toolkit. Comes with, a 2-placer, thing of wax, a pen, tweezers, little bags. This one, I love it for my Halloween theme. It is just a mouse dressed like a witch with some leaves and a pumpkin. It's 24 colors, which isn't all that bad because most of the colors is right here. And then, the background, which is the 3865, that creamy off-white. I'm going to say this. Thank you, Coodeals. Even though I've been waiting forever for this order, thank you so much. You guys are fantastic. Just going to roll it up like this. And then roll it backwards. It's okay. Like I said before, I put books on them to flatten them out. Get that behind me. We will get into the colors. Again, they're all individually in the bags with the same. I just don't want to make a big mess with it. So same thing with the paper, with the little thumbnail, and then the colors, how many you'll need in the painting, and the number of bags. So I'll take out some colors. They're really pretty. you know, your burgundy, like your orangey, like your brown with a hint of orange. 924, 939, 946, 951. I am super excited to do this. Super, super excited. Okay. Next one. Again, another 30 by 40. I didn't go bigger with these ones just because they're themed. And as much as I love Halloween, I like doing landscapes and fairies in bigger sizes. So, same thing, toolkit. This one is another mouse that is dressed like a little witch. With your pumpkin and stuff. Again, very, very cute. Is it the same? I don't think I ordered the same. Oh no, it's just the position's different. So the other one was like at an angle. This one is at another angle. Again, I just thought it was super, super cute. Toss that behind me on my chair. And the colors, I don't think I said how many colors. It has 24 colors. I think they're all roughly 24 colors because there's not much of a difference. And I'll show you a couple of the colors from here. Again, all round drill. No, I did not get them in AB diamonds. I believe I ordered them before they had AB. That's okay. So like 945. This one has 3858. I've got 3712. And I like that they're in individual bags with the code and the number on it, just in case I decide to reuse these bags. With this, absolute love it. Little thumbnail. So yeah. And second last one. Oh, it looks like one of the diamond. Oh, nope. That's not diamonds. That is styrofoam. Just put that beside me. Okay, another 30 by 40 toolkit. I'm really not going to go over it because it's the same stuff over and over again. This one, again, another mouse witch. This one has 21 colors instead, which is totally fine because, again, the bulk of everything is here. This is just the background. And really, if you wanted to, you could cut like this and not have to do the full, if you wanted to do like an oval shape. So different things, everybody does different things. I already know this is very sticky. Nice and sticky. Let's get into the drills. You're gonna fall on the floor. That's okay, I'll pick you up. For the most part, it's basically all the same color. 3865 for the background. You've got your browns and oranges. 939. Is there a 310 in here? Yep, a little bit of 310. Again, what I really like is this paper. And what I do, because I have this paper, is once I know I'm done a color, I just check it off. And then, yeah, the little thumbnail for the image. Very cute. I love these. I won't lie. I'm definitely going to order again from Coodeals. I love them. And then the last mouse. Here we go. And then after this, I'm going to tidy up and I will be doing my recording of Keeper Mondays and doing my giveaway. Again, toolkit standard 30 by 40. And here is the last one. Yeah, they all use 3865 in this. It's a mixture of, oh, yeah, it's a mixture of numbers and letters. Numbers and letters. Thank you, voice. So cute. I love these. They're so cute. I'm honestly excited to start these on October the 1st, along with my Halloween themed cross stitch. So again, look, this one even has like a purple. I'm not going to take them all out. Different browns, oranges. Again, 939 is a big one here. 310 is also in it. So I'll use this to show you the thumbnail. Cute little thing. So yeah, that is my Coodeals order. I'll have the links in the description box below. Again, look forward to my next video where I will be doing the giveaway. I will see you all in a little bit. Bye for now, my lovelies. Oh, never mind. Sorry. Also, thank you to my new subscribers. I hope you continue to follow me on this journey. There will be other unboxings in the coming weeks, I'm hoping, but we will see. I've explained before, so September is a bit of an expensive month for me. So once I'm able to order more things, definitely going to order most of my diamond paintings from Coodeals, as I absolutely love them. So I will see you later. This time I promise. Bye.